If you want to be rich in 2025, you need to know these 7 ideas for financial freedom. Let me ask you something. Are you ready to completely change your financial future? Because today, I'm sharing 7 powerful ideas that can set you on the path to financial freedom by 2025. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about proven strategies that work. So stay with me until the end, because every second of this will be worth it. Idea 1. Treat your money like a business. Here's the truth. Your personal finances should be managed as if you're the CEO of your own company. Track every dollar coming in and going out. Create a budget and stick to it. Cut unnecessary expenses and reinvest that money in things that grow your wealth, like investments, education, or building a side hustle. When you treat your money with respect, it starts to multiply. Idea 2. Build multiple income streams. Relying on just one income source is a trap. The wealthiest people in the world have multiple streams of income. Start with small steps, turn a hobby into a side hustle, invest in dividend-paying stocks, or explore freelance opportunities online. Remember, every additional stream adds more security and accelerates your path to financial freedom. Idea 3. Invest in assets, not liabilities. Understand the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket. Think stocks, real estate, or businesses. Liabilities, like expensive cars or gadgets, take money out of your pocket. Shift your focus toward acquiring assets, even if it means delaying gratification. Over time, those assets will generate passive income and fund the lifestyle you desire. Idea 4. Learn the power of compounding. Albert Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world, and he wasn't wrong. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Even small, consistent investments can turn into massive amounts over time. If you're not investing yet, start today. It's the single most powerful tool for building wealth. Idea 5. Network with people who inspire growth. Your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with people who challenge you to think bigger, who are already where you want to be, and who encourage growth. Learn from them, collaborate with them, and let their energy push you to new heights. The right connections can open doors you didn't even know existed. Idea 6. Master high-income skills. Investing in yourself is one of the safest and most profitable investments you can make. Focus on developing high-income skills that are in demand: coding, digital marketing, sales, public speaking, or leadership. These skills allow you to earn more, save more, and invest more. With the right skills, you can create opportunities that others only dream of. Idea 7. Create a clear vision for your future. Finally, and most importantly, you need a clear financial vision. What does financial freedom mean to you? Is it retiring early, traveling the world, or providing for your family without worry? Write down your goals, break them into actionable steps, and review them daily. When you know exactly where you're going, it's easier to make the right decisions to get there. Now let me ask you, which of these ideas will you start applying today? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. And if this video gave you value, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to level up their financial life. Together, we can make 2025 the year everything changes. Turning $100 into $1 million might sound impossible, but with the right mindset and strategy, it's achievable. The key is to see every dollar as a seed for growth. Start by investing in high-potential areas like stocks, ETFs, or even cryptocurrencies. Platforms today make it easy to begin with small amounts, so take advantage of them. As your initial investment grows, reinvest the profits strategically. This could mean launching a small online business, creating a digital product, or funding another high-return opportunity. Compounding is your greatest ally. Reinvest your earnings consistently, and watch your money multiply over time. Diversify your income streams to accelerate growth. Real estate, passive income through dividend stocks, or selling digital products can create multiple paths to wealth. Along the way, stay educated, adapt to new opportunities, and focus on steady progress. Building wealth from $100 isn't about shortcuts. It's about strategy, patience, and consistent effort. The journey begins with one step, so ask yourself, what will you do with your first $100? Start now, stay committed, and watch your financial future transform. If you want to be rich, the first thing you must do is stop thinking like someone who is stuck in scarcity. A poor mindset keeps you trapped, focusing only on limitations, what you don't have, what you can't do, or what's impossible. This way of thinking will sabotage your potential before you even begin. To build wealth, your mindset needs to be focused, expansive, and unstoppable. A focused mindset means you're clear about your goals and unwavering in your pursuit. Rich people don't waste energy on distractions or excuses. They know what they want, and they channel their time, money, and effort into activities that move them closer to their vision. If you're scattered, chasing too many things at once, or consumed by fear, it's time to reset and prioritize. Decide what matters most and commit to it fully. An expansive mindset recognizes that opportunities are everywhere if you're willing to look for them. People with wealth don't focus on what's missing. They focus on creating value, solving problems, and identifying areas for growth. They think big, plan for the long term, and surround themselves with people who challenge and inspire them to go further. Ask yourself, are you thinking too small? Are you limiting yourself because of fear or doubt? Break free by imagining the life you truly want and believing you're capable of achieving it. An unstoppable mindset is about resilience. Challenges and setbacks are inevitable, but wealthy people see them as part of the process. They don't give up when things get hard. They adapt, learn, and keep moving forward. To achieve this, you must develop self-discipline, confidence, and the willingness to take calculated risks. Wealth isn't built overnight, but with persistence and the right mindset, it's inevitable. Your journey to riches begins in your mind. Stop thinking about what you lack, and start focusing on the abundance you can create. Change your thoughts, take bold action, and watch as your life transforms. Success starts with you.